Guys, what is up and how are you all doing? So today I'm going to unbox this Anker power bank. So basically this is the powercore 13,000, and yup, let's get started. So on the front, some specs are given, like it can charge up to 4 to 8 like charges like to your phone. It has fast charge on the back, fast charging technology from Anker IQ, charge until the LED turns off, check the light power, check. Okay, like it has LED to notify you how much percentage of the power bank is left, and like it can charge up to 2 devices at once. Yeah, so let's unbox this. Yep, some of the specs are also given here. It has IQ power, voltage boost, and multi protect, and here's the actual power bank. So yeah, let's unbox. Okay. Alright, here we go. So here we have the power bank itself. Okay, so let's start from the front. I guess I have to lift this up. Yeah. Okay, so it's in a protective cover. Nice. Oh damn. So here we have the power bank itself. Let's see if this has any juice. Okay, 50%. Nice. And yeah, so let's see what else we get in the box. Alright, so here we have our Type C. Yep, it's micro USB charging cable, branded by Anker. And yeah, and yep, we also have like this carrying case, you can say, or protective case, and a quick start guide. Yeah, let me test this for a minute. So I actually test this, and yup, this is actually rocking great. And the best thing about this is that I got this in a deal in which I get this for around $45, and the best thing about it is the specs. Like, if you can read, like the capacity is like 13. Wait, focus. Wait, my camera is not focusing. Okay, let me just tell you. Okay, the great thing about this is that this power bank is actually 13, as by the name, it is 13,000 milliamp hour. So you can expect like 4 to 5 charges to your phone if you have a like big phone like Note 8 or S8, something like that. And also this give you the the sub power banks like give you the output of 2 ampere, which is not like considered fast charge now, but this power bank give the output of 5 volt 2 ampere. So sorry, 5 volt 2 ampere is the input, and it gives the output of 543 ampere. So that means you get a really fast charge, and this actually supports super fast charge. And yeah, and I actually recommend you like to buy this. And yep, this was my unboxing and review, and thanks for watching. Until then, peace out.
Bitch, solo.